Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dropbox Business for secure file sync, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.dropbox.com and press enter. Once the Dropbox homepage loads, locate the business option in the top menu. Click on Business to access the Dropbox Business page. Here, you will see information about the features and benefits of Dropbox Business. To start the registration process, look for a button that says Try Dropbox Business. Click on the Try Dropbox Business button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on Get Started. Next, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Dropbox registration page. Here, fill in the required fields, including your name and the password you want to create. After completing the fields, review Dropbox Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Now, click on Create Your Account. Once your account is created, you may be prompted to set up your team. If so, enter the name of your team and any relevant details. Click on Next to continue the setup process. Now, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses. Once invited, click on Next to proceed. After team setup, you will be taken to your Dropbox Business dashboard. From there, you can explore the features available to your team. To start syncing files, you can download the Dropbox application. Install the application and follow the prompts to set it up on your device. Once installed, sign in with your newly created Dropbox Business account. Your selected files will now begin to sync securely. Congratulations, you are now registered with Dropbox Business and ready to use it for secure file sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.